Hi, it's Clíodhna and Aodáin from the Celtic Cello. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how a flask of tea can improve your cello playing. But first, some music. That was the Coolin, one of my favourite Irish tunes. And as you can see, a lot of it was on the A string. I've been teaching the cello for over 30 years and I teach more than 1,000 cello lessons each year. So I've seen everything, and some of you might be familiar with this. That you struggle to reach the A string, you lift your shoulder, it's really uncomfortable and the A string feels like it's miles away. So I'm going to show you a simple trick, and it's actually something you already know how to do. This is where the flask comes in. So we have a ball and socket joint in our shoulder, and what we want to do is activate the pronation of this joint for going over to the A string. So anytime you have a flask or a bottle and you're pouring it, this is exactly the movement that you do. Ideally, your shoulder stays relaxed. You don't, hopefully, pour like this. It's really a very simple, easy motion. So please think of this next time you're pouring from a bottle or a flask. And if you're left-handed, just switch it around. There is more to ease of playing than just the pronation. So in my next video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite warm-up exercises. Please comment and share this cello tip with your cello friends, and hope to see you next time. Enjoy your tea. Sláinte.